That's the wrong door on this side. You should know better. That's the wrong style door. This is the correct style door. That door is switched. That door is supposed to be going to the back. So let's go see what he did on that side. Yeah, that's the wrong location. Let's see. Yeah. All right. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much to the old subscribers, and thank you to the new subscribers. Please make sure to share this video, like this video, comment below if you will. Thank you so much for your support. So we're working on the doors. We have a little issue here. The door opening is not the right normal size opening, so we have to do some funny business right here in the corner to get it to work. Yeah. All right, and here we go. What is there? A lot of dust on this. A little dust because he was sanding over here and we got dust over that. So this door is in. Bedroom door is in. Let's see. That is not in yet. That goes to there. Yeah, the bedroom door is in. Yeah, still working on that. It's not completed. And the closet door is not here, but the closet door should be coming soon. It's probably sitting out there somewhere. Yeah, it's right there sitting on the floor. Okay. All right. This is almost a wrap right here. Awesome. Front door. It's not smooth closing, so there's something there that is. It shouldn't be this tight to close this door. So something needs to be done to make sure this is the front door that it just closes smoothly and nice and easy. All right. Okay, cool. This is cool. We got power tools laying around, but we don't have the contractor here doing his work. We'll see how it goes. This door installation is just taking longer than anticipated, longer than what the schedule is. But we're almost there at the finish line, so we'll see how it goes. Yeah, just gotta be a little bit more patient with them. We're gonna test every door to make sure that the doors are closing nice and smooth. That's good. Good sounding door. Swings nice. We have the plates there so that the drywall is not damaged. That's good. And opens nice. Closes good. We have that. Yeah, it's solid. Just gotta do a little better job with the paint deal. All right. Cool. Bam. Yeah, there's a light up there. And then we gotta think about the shelf and the hanging rod. That's gonna go in there. Nice and snug, nice and cut. Good job. That's good. Nice opening. Bathroom. Nice. Open nice. This bedroom here. Open. Close. Yeah, that's not smooth. That's not smooth. So he's got to do something to that. Let's shake one of these guys down or something. Closet, open nice. That's not so solid. They gotta do a better job, make it a little solid. It's not solid. It's gonna break off easy. And they're still working on that. The floor guys did not do a good job when they first came to strip the floor, so we have some extras showing, so it makes it a little difficult to put this against the wall, so they have to come back, and when they're about to finish the floor, they have to like cut that piece up to the wall, so we have that all the way around. That's why this is not in yet. Completely sealed because we have that issue everywhere here. As you can see the little bump right there. That's because it's sitting on the little lip. So that happened in this room, way over here. Sorry, I think I moved too fast on that. Yeah, fade is there. 2 West. All right. Check the doors out. That's not bueno. Yeah, that's getting sticky, so no, you gotta work on that door. I think that's the wrong hardware. There's the wrong hardware there for the bedroom. I'm gonna change the hardware there. Yeah, come on now. It's the wrong hardware. I mean, there's no lock on it. This is the wrong thing. I mean, why do we have to always correct him on his mistakes? He should know better. There's no lock on it. There's no open from the outside thing on it. That's not cool. Same with this one too. It's the wrong hardware. The wrong hardware should be able to lock the bedroom. Bedroom should be able to lock the bedroom. Close the thumb knock right here, and then the emergency thing right there. I mean, the bathroom has it. That's the right one for the bathroom. This is supposed to be in. Come on, can go here. All right, nice, smooth, nice. Pretty cool. All right. The doors are not in yet. 1 East, well, the front door is not. It's laying down there. And also the door to this 1 West is not here yet. 1 West, the door is laying down there. All right. The back door is not in yet. The closet, furnace room door is not in yet. The bedroom door trim is in. The closet is in. Yeah, we still had that little gap right there. I had to figure out what to do with that gap. Yeah, this previous contractor they want to get fired, didn't do a very good job. Okay, and that's hanging. I wonder why that's hanging. We'll see. That's the bedroom door. Is in with a trim. The baseboard, the base shoe is in. Baseboard, base shoe is in. So we're gonna get ready for the wood floor guys to come in and do their thing. The closet door is in. Pretty cool. I'll check that later. The hardware will come after. All right. One East, the base and the quarter round base shoe is in. They're going to close that door. It's coming. The front room door. That is in. The trim is in. It's pretty cool. Awesome. We'll go into the bedroom. The closet door is not there. We have the door for this is in. The hardware is going to be done today or tomorrow. The back door is not here yet. The closet door, the furnace room door is here. That's in. Pretty snazzy. All right. Okay, cool. Good deal. Yeah. They sure look good. The base looks good. the baseboard is what I'm looking at, and the base shoe core around is in. That's that one going. That's what it looks like right there. So they still have to put the one connecting that there. Alright. I wonder what happened to that outlet there. The bedroom. The door is in. Alright, this is the bedroom number 2. We got number 1 right there. There. And this door is also in. Go back. The door hardware. Let's see, the closet is done. The closet is in. Bravo. Awesome. You do. And bedroom number 3. The door is in. And the closet door is there. Try to close this one. See what it's funny looking. Yeah, we still have that gap again. So we gotta figure out how to work on this gap stuff. Yeah, the previous contractor, man, I don't know what those guys did. I think this handle is it's in the wrong spot, but we'll see. All right, cool. So this is 1 east. Let's go up to the other floors. That is the granite sample on the countertop that we're gonna be using. It's pretty cool. There's a speckled gray in it, which is matched the cabinet. The white in it goes with the floor. There's a little transition going on. The floor will be that color. Probably one of those like cherry color, cherry brown colorish, reddish, something like that. Yeah, we're getting there. Cool. That's the sample. Okay, we're installing the doors now. That was the compressor that was going off for the nailing of the trims. No problem. For you, every time. Thank you.
Yo.
So once again, we have multiple contractors working on the job right now. We have the electricians downstairs. We have the contractor downstairs doing the electrical work. We have the carpenter doing his work, installing the doors and the cabinets. So the work is going. This door is in. Looking good. That door is in. Looking good. We're getting there. All right. Wires has been pulled. Doors is going in. And that door is in. Looking nice. Bathroom, bedroom. We are in 1 west. The door is in. The closet door is there. It's all coming together. I don't like that down there, but I don't know what other option we have to do to make it look nice. We'll see. Bedroom 1, that was bedroom 2. Guys downstairs. I hope this closes properly. I think it should. Push it in. Have room for it. No. So we gotta do something about this. Something needs to be adjusted there.